Welcome to GlideX RV, your ultimate destination for everything fast, luxurious, and cutting-edge in the automotive world. Whether you're a car enthusiast or an RV lover, we bring you in-depth reviews, specs, and features of the latest and most advanced vehicles. Today, we have something truly extraordinary, an ambitious blend of high-performance engineering and next-level comfort. Meet the 2025 Corvette Motorhome, a game-changing innovation that redefines what a motorhome can be. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement. Buckle up as we dive deep into what makes this masterpiece stand out. The Corvette Motorhome takes its DNA from the iconic Corvette lineage, inheriting its bold design language, precision engineering, and unparalleled performance. At first glance, you'll notice the signature sharp edges, aerodynamic curves, and that unmistakable Corvette front grille. It's like the muscle car you've always dreamed of but stretched and sculpted into a luxurious road warrior. But don't let its size fool you. This motorhome is built for speed, agility, and pure driving pleasure. When it comes to performance, the Corvette Motorhome doesn't compromise. Under the hood, you'll find a monstrous hybrid powertrain that combines a supercharged V8 engine with an advanced electric motor system. Together, they deliver an astounding 1,200 horsepower, making this one of the fastest motorhomes ever built. With a top speed of 160 miles per hour, it's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about enjoying the journey like never before. The acceleration is equally impressive, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, unheard of in the world of motorhomes. Whether you're overtaking on the highway or cruising through winding mountain roads, this beast delivers a driving experience that feels more like a supercar than a typical RV. But speed isn't the only highlight. This motorhome is designed to get you to your destination with efficiency and style. The hybrid system offers remarkable fuel economy for a vehicle of this caliber. With a range of over 700 miles on a full tank and charge, you can embark on extended road trips without constant stop. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and stable ride, even at high speeds, while the all-wheel drive setup provides exceptional handling in all conditions. Step inside, and you'll immediately understand why this motorhome is in a league of its own. The interior is a masterpiece of modern design and technology, blending premium materials with cutting-edge features. You're greeted by plush leather seating, customizable ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system that rivals the best luxury sedans. The layout is cleverly designed to maximize space without compromising comfort. There's a fully equipped kitchen with high-end appliances, a spacious living area with a retractable OLED TV, and a bedroom that feels more like a luxury suite. The attention to detail is incredible, with every surface and fixture exuding quality and craftsmanship. Of course, no motorhome is complete without advanced technology, and the Corvette Motorhome doesn't disappoint. It features an intuitive AI-powered control system that allows you to manage everything from climate settings to navigation with voice commands or a dedicated app. There's also a suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for stress-free parking and maneuvering. And let's not forget the solar panel integration on the roof, which provides a sustainable energy source to power your appliances and devices on the go. Now, let's address the big question: how much does this marvel cost? The 2025 Corvette Motorhome comes with a starting price of $750,000. Yes, it's a significant investment, but consider what you're getting: a high-performance supercar, a luxurious home, and an advanced technological platform all rolled into one. For those who demand the best of both worlds, speed and comfort, it's worth every penny.
Thanks for tuning into GlideX RV. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Corvette Motorhome and whether you'd take it for a spin. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep the adrenaline pumping. See you soon.